Hey guys. Okay, so one of the questions we've gotten from the community is how do I automatically integrate a link to my articles if we give it an affiliate link or any other link that you have in mind throughout the article? So, one of the really cool things to do here is really take advantage of your brief. And this is again why we left this feature on the product is to be able to have this brief as a stepping stone before your final content so that you can really optimize it and personalize it as best as you can. And then the way to do that is obviously to the description, right? So this kind of treats, you can treat description as a prompt in a way. And then custom instruction is really good for you to give additional instructions to your AI. For example, if you don't want case studies included, if you don't want a specific type of storytelling or tone included, or if you want to focus on a specific writing style, then that all goes under custom instruction. So I really would appreciate a lot of you to also test that out as much as possible to really see how much AI can really take in consideration and how much we can improve on that. So, going back to the question around how do I integrate links automatically into the content generated? So, you would come to your custom instruction here, and then I gave it, for example, this very short, quick copy around adding a link accordingly throughout the content within the article. So, it's embedded in the copy, and then I gave it the link in question, and then, boom, I updated the brief. Then I created the content. And as you could see, it is integrated here. Again, I didn't even give it any anchor any anchor words at all. So it kind of came up with that on its own. And then it integrated it here as well using another key anchor word, and then here as well. And again, if you want to specify how many times that link is included, you can. But for me, I kept it pretty general just to see how it does here without too much instructions. And I think it does a good job overall. It even created a CTA at the bottom of the article that promotes that specific link. So I'm curious if you guys want to test this out, maybe give it a few more links if you create a lot of content that has different links throughout, internal links. It could be internal links, it could be external links, it could be affiliate links, whatever that may be. This is something that I'd love for you guys to try out and test out on your own as well to see how much it does, and then what we can improve on that. So hopefully this is helpful for everybody else. And just again to recap where you can add that, it's you go under your brief, sorry, and then you add that here under the custom instructions. And then I will copy this along with the video and I'll post it on the community so that you can have access to it whenever.